Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. And don't forget to push the subscribe button before you leave, because I would love for you to come back and view more of my amazing videos. So guys, for you that are subscribed, thank you once again for coming back and watching my channel. I truly appreciate you, and I love each and every one of you. Okay, so let's get into the video. So as you guys can remember, for those who watched my last video, which I think you should go on over and watch, I went into the Dollar Tree and I found these amazing charger plates. And I was like, oh my gosh, I have a lot of charger plates, but these ones are so cute. And they're just that rich gold that I like. And I just like the wavy pattern that they have around it, and it doesn't look cheap. You know, it's not your ordinary Dollar Tree chargers. I love the way it looks. So I decided to buy 8 from my own personal use on my dining table. Now, in the new year, I'm gonna put a black tabletop on this, a plexiglass over the gold, because it's going to match our velvet draping. And then our light is black and gold. And sorry, not to be off topic, but look how amazing our sequence tree looks on this table. Now, guys, if you haven't watched the last video, well, not the last video, but I think this is a third video, Vlogmas number 3, I believe. I have a video of how I made that. Okay, so go on and take a look and let me know what you think about the video. Okay, so the charger plates, Dollar Tree, I believe they're $1.75. I'm pretty sure they're $1.75. But even if they're $2, it's amazing. I mean, they're good weight, and I can't see them cracking as easy as the last ones the Dollar Tree had. Okay, so I just want to show you guys the snowflake. Now, if you're deciding to design your table for this season, this is such a great idea. They're actually, as you can see, ornaments that you put on the tree. So these I got also at the Dollar Tree, and I think they came in a package of 4, and they're napkin rings. So what I did was I got the ornaments. I took off the string that was at the top, and I just glue gun it onto the ornament. Okay, and then I have my black napkins, because that's what I'm going to be using for the table moving forward. And we're pushing it through like this. And look how nice that looks with the black. And then you can just tuck in. One side. Tuck in the other side. And so we have like a little bow thing going on here. See? Isn't that cute for your table? I think that's so cute. I did another one over there also. Let's move this out the way. Yeah, very inexpensive. And then I'm gonna do every other one with the snowflakes, and then we're gonna do reindeer, because you can see we have the theme going on, the reindeer, but they're in silver, but that's okay because we have the white plate setting. So I thought that silver would be fine. And we're gonna put the reindeer. I bought this years ago. I don't even know where I bought it, but I'm quite sure it was at a warehouse sale, because that's how I shop. I like to find different warehouses and purchase my items there. Okay, so there you have it. Now this one we'd have to blend on it. This one, that's how it looks. Okay. That's so cute. So I'll do a video of how the table looks when I'm done. But so far, you have it. Now, so this is how they came in the package. And all I did was I grabbed my snowflake and add some glue. The end of it like that. Then we stick the ring on it.